my screen. So you're all welcome to this live presentation, and I'm going to be your anchor person. I won't bore you with too much information. I'll just be precise.
Okay, so there's something that's just going on in my brain now. If you're going to do the presentation, maybe we should just send it to the prospect group. Any prospect that is available to join, is that fine?
Okay, fine, fantastic. I thought this is what we intend to do.
This is what we wanted to do back office now. We wanted only the people that are registered. I will send to those that are registered so that we do back office. We'll do back office training. But since you're doing both,
back office, I can switch to the back office. Okay, let's do back office. Let's save later in the day for everybody.
Okay.
Let's save later in the day. Let me just open the back office. Okay, so I'm using this app. I think that's the smart one.
Start recording again, sis. Start the record again so I can start all over.
I'm meeting everyone. If you have any question, you can ask.